this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today is the second day of pen shading of a girl dancing, and you can see I have already drawn the face and इसका link आपको I button पे मिल जाएगा. I have started shading the left portion of hair with a very little amount of pressure, and gradually I'll increase the pressure in accordance with the darkness of shadows. Well, you can also check out the freehand outline tutorial. I hope it may help you in drawing the outline. For those who are new in this video, I want to make clear that this is going to be a series of pen shading tutorial, as I shall be uploading as much as I draw every day. Now I have started shading the left hand with this 5 rupee pen. I'm shading in layers and adding details. While shading with pen, you should always shade in layers from lighter to darker tones, because पेन से शेड करने के बाद आप लाइंस को रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. So you have to be very careful. Give patience and give as much as time you need in this drawing. I'll also add the link of the reference image in the description box, and from there, after watching my video, you can easily draw by yourselves. आप देख सकते हो कैसे मैं लेयर बाय लेयर शेडिंग कर रही हूँ एंड इसके साथ कैसे मैं डिटेल्स ऐड कर रही हूँ. अगर आप इस ड्राइंग को क्रिएट करते हो एंड अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स में अगर आप अपलोड करते हो, देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू टैग मी देयर. माय सोशल मीडिया लिंक्स आर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी इन इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ट्विटर एंड पिंटरेस्ट. एंड प्लीज আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও. ভিডিও अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो. कीप वॉचिंग. You can see how I have created the shadows on hand by layering. I am loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.